there friends, Nibs again. Out here goofing around in the garage tonight and wanted to do another head-to-head challenge for you guys. And I think this one will be kind of different. Kind of a new production versus an old school. These are both spring pistoned pellet guns. But what I have here is the Browning Buckmark by Umarex. And then I have my Predom Lucznik. And they're both excellent shooters, and I think this will be a fun little head-to-head challenge. They both have really nice triggers. I think the Browning has a little bit nicer trigger, but I'm going to shoot them with these exact RS, JSB exact RS, and we'll just do 5 shots with each for all the marbles. Do the newcomer first, right? So we'll do the Browning Buckmark. This one is the one that one of the 4 that I bought. I fixed all 4 of them. They were all broken. Bought them as a lot. I got them for about the same price as you'd pay for one good used one or good new one. And I fixed them all. I sent 3 of them to Denny over at Flatbroke Air Gunner to give away, and I kept 1 of them for myself. So let's go ahead and shoot it. Glasses are driving me crazy. They won't stay up on my face. Ooh, pull that one off to the right a little bit. That's better. This one has a really nice trigger. I wish the Ruger that I have, that's basically the same thing as this, had a trigger that was halfway as nice as this one. Man, now I'm starting to get into the swing of things here. So I'm going to add those scores up and we'll see what we get. Oop, pulled that one to the right a little bit too. Alright, looks like a pretty good score though. Now let's try the Predom. We'll go ahead and... So this one's different. It actually cocks by the trigger guard pushing the spring down in the handle. So very different design than... It was designed after the Walther LP53, I believe it is. And I think those are the only 2 guns that have that sort of... Oof. The trigger on that Browning is so much nicer, so it's a little bit of a switch to get... When I get in the swing of things, I can shoot this one really good, but I just got to get used to that. Got to get used to this trigger. That's better. Not looking good for the Predom. That's okay. We'll still add them up and see what we get. good looking group there now that I kind of pulled my head out of my backside, but let me go ahead and add those up and I'll be right back with you. Alrighty, well, I'm back. So as we could see right from looking at it that the Browning was going to win, but the Browning did a really nice 46 out of a possible 50, and the Lucznik did not do bad at 1-0, which was all me, of course, but still pulled out a 35 out of a possible 50, so not terrible at all. But we're going to have to give this win to the newcomer, the Browning. But it is such a nice gun. If you can get your hands on one of these, either new or used, they're really cool. They also have the Ruger Mark IV edition, also very nice. For whatever reason, mine's got a woeful trigger, but I can't imagine that they're all like that, because I've got 2 of these Buckmarks and the triggers are really nice on both of those. So but anyway, there you go. Head-to-head challenge against the Buckmark and the Lucznik. Hope you liked the video. If you did, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when I do post up new videos. Till next time, have a great day.